Today I will be showing you how to make a simple, basic Scratch game. A scrolling Scratch game. So, you just want to make one box. This will be the ground. You want to put it like this. So just put it wherever you want it to be. And that's what you gotta do. So then you do one flag clicked, a loop, get two if then blocks, and this will be for left and right, left arrow and right arrow. Then you want to make variable called scrolling X. And then these will change the amount that you're scrolling. So the higher it goes, the faster you'll be going. So then you want to set your position. You want to go to your place, set. You want to set your X. You always want to set your X to scrolling X. So that's all you have to do. Then all you have to do is duplicate. Except for when you have your duplicate, delete this. One thing I forgot to do is you put the coordinates in to where you're going to start it out. That and then duplicate. So the more spikes you put, the further you'll go. They all go to the same spot. So if you were to test it out now, all they do is this. And one other thing you should do, you should make left negative so you can go back. When you start, you always set scrolling X to 0. Then these, to make it being able to scroll and them not always stuck, you add a plus block to each of them. So this one will be maybe try 100 away, and then let's make this one try 200. It depends on how big you make it. So when you start the game up again, they should be further away. See, and then you get the illusion of scrolling, but this one, these two are too close. They're not far enough away. So I think it's usually, let's try like 600. You get to mess around with this and just figure out how far it's going to be for you. Like this, you just type in a different number, 490, 485. I'm going to make sure it's exactly good. 3 is a little too much, so just try 480. That's good. So if it goes from, it's plus 480, that means 960. And then it should be scrolling like this. You need it perfect. And then you want to make a swipe. That is the goal. Put it right here. And then right here, just want to get this code and put it into the swipe. No adjustments need to be made because then it'll stay in sync. The only adjustment you might need to do is maybe put the wire a little higher. that. So then it's scrolling. So then when this one comes, it comes like this. But it's in the center. If you want it to be at the end, maybe try 70. Just mess around with it. I'm doing 1000 for this guy, which is right here. So then in this one, I'm going to make sure this is a different color than the ground. I want to color this one different, so I'm just going to do a red. So you go back into this one, flat click, throw loop, if touching, it's actually not touching, it's if touching color, and then you click this one, and click the color, and then you can make a broadcast, next level. So all you have to do, the next level, all you can do is like you can make something called new, make a level to make it. Simply want to change this to change level. After that, it'll change the level by 1, but then you want to, if you don't want that to happen, you want to set scrolling X to 0, which starts you all the way back here. And if yours is going the wrong way like this, all you have to do is just swap the arrow keys like this, and then it should work. This, see, you get to scroll, and then that's pretty much it. So then when you touch here, you go to level 2, and then you go back. And then you can add in enemies. Right now, I am going to show the code for jumping. So then your character can jump. You'll need a board block. Can't just be if it's touching 1, because you need 3 spots. So then you're like if touching, then another if touching, not mouse pointer. That's if touching by 2, by 3, or by 4, then it can jump. And then you want to put in if spacebar press, and then you want to make another variable called jump Y. Want to change, and then if it's touching it, you want to set jump Y to 0. This should be try 15. After this, which is change jump Y by -1, and then after that, it's not working. Then you just wanna change Y by not 10, jumpy Y. Just set jumpy Y to 0 when you start. So can't see your character yet. You need to do is just gotta put it back to try 0, not -0, just try 0, 0. Actually, I forgot one thing. That's if not duplicate that. Go ahead and start again. See, and then you can jump with space. so you can jump. See, and then you're jumping smoothly too, actually. And that's it for today's tutorial.